look at organizations. And therefore I developed a questionnaire that focuses on the system dynamics. So hello, this is an invitation for my second workshop in the Belgrade conference, which it was planned to do it in Belgrade, but now it is online. But it's the conference of the European Association for Transactional Analysis, and it's a research conference. So we are talking about topics that are researched in the moment in TA, and one of my topics is to look at organizations, and therefore I developed a questionnaire that focuses on the system dynamics. I developed the system dynamics model some years ago to assess an organization, to find points where to intervene in an organization if the contract is organizational development. Organizational development means that an organization is changed or developed in structure and culture to get certain results, or to get maybe a better performance or a better well-being of the people in the organization. There are different goals. One famous goal today is the goal of resilience. Organizations as well as individuals are in the question to get a resilience for themselves. So what I will present in the workshop will be the SCISOA, the scoring instrument for the systemic organizational analysis. So this complicated word means that there is a questionnaire for the 10 dynamics in organizations. The 10 dynamics are attention, roles, relationships, communication, problem solving, success, balances, recursivity, inner pulsation, outer pulsation. The last one, pulsation, is an artificial word. It's about the boundaries and the borderlines that Eric Berne had found in organizations and at the membrane outside of the organization. So these 10 dynamics are in the questionnaire, and in every dynamic there are 7 questions. And we will learn about these items that are included in the questions, and the items that are included in the questions are very much grounded in TA theory, in basic TA theory, so that we will look at an organization, for example, in the relational system dynamic. What is there really an okay position in the relationship of the people in the organization, or are there some they are much more valuable than others, or such an inequality in the organization? Also, we look at problem solving in terms of discounting. Discounting means that we are not able to get into a good problem solving process. For example, if we discount the existence or the significance of the problems, we will not, it will not be a miracle if we don't find any solution in this kind of situation. So TA is the sponsor, so to say, for the items in the system organizational questionnaire, and I will present this model for you, and you can also use this afterwards. It is tested up to now in some companies, and also in social institutions, as well as in a local church organization, for example. So you can use this questionnaire for systems in very different kinds of systems. It is not only focused on the business area. So I invite you very much for this workshop. It is online, and you will find me in the schedule of the program. So very welcome, and thank you very much for your attention now.